Alright, everybody. This right here, there's a railroad sign, but there's no railroad crossing. I don't know why they put a railroad sign in Mamaroneck. Or maybe they used to have an abandoned crossing. Or I think it might be the bridge for trucks or something. It's a railroad crossing sign. And there is no railroad crossings in the New Haven line, only the New Canaan line does. And the Danbury, only the Harlem and Hudson. Except for the Croton line, only the Poughkeepsie has a railroad crossing in Peekskill. I don't know why, it looks odd and weird. It might be, not sure by the way. Look at that stop sign. It looks like a candy cane stop sign. The red and white thing here. It's kind of nice. And here's the I-95.
In 1,000 feet,
And you get a view from New Rochelle. Here goes the train. Stop sign. And the back, do not enter. Wow. We're about to enter Larchmont soon, I'm not sure, probably. But you can see a view of New Rochelle buildings. Stoplight. And here's the park that I went there. I think this is the Turtle Park, I'm not sure. The traffic lights are different now than last year.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
I think we're already now in Larchmont. I don't see a welcome sign then. Only the other side, like we did last time. But here we are in Larchmont. is. It's kind of nice.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright, we're going on a quick errand, so I'm sorry it's late.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody. We're now in America, I think. We had a long day at the errands. I think we're now in America, I think. I'm not sure, probably. We're now on Route
At the
125.
light, turn left onto New York 125 North Weaver Street.
Sorry, my lips aren't good. I think it's now good, I think. Here's a bus stop.
Continue on New York 125
Weaver,
North
look
for
nice.
4 miles.
Alright. There's a traffic circle. Wow. I've never seen a traffic circle like this. Here's the fire station. Look nice. Right here, this is the church back in November 2024. Look nice. Wow. Alright, everybody. Also, tomorrow we're gonna go to the 9/11 tribute lights, which is probably, you could see it at 6 p.m., but we're gonna do it quick. I'm not sure we're gonna go there this year, but maybe tomorrow, since I haven't been there in years already. Nice. Alright, everybody. Alright, everybody. Hope you like this. Alright. I think this is the same street back in the daylight. I'm not sure, probably. Alright. Look nice. We're about to enter between Scarsdale and New Rochelle. Look nice. New Rochelle is on the left, and we're straighting to Scarsdale. It's a nice building. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a random location. Sorry about the focus. It's not a church. Well, it kind of looks like a church. It might be like a residence building or something. Here's Scarsdale. I already took that sign back in. Even the New Rochelle welcome sign on the left. It's at the next left, by the way. Yep, it's right here. See, the sign says New Rochelle. Hurry, that's it. Might get to White Plains. It says White Plains use areas. Nice.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Weaver Street.
It's a lot of shopping.
At the light, turn left onto Weaver Street, then slight right to stay on Weaver Street. Slight right to stay on Weaver Street. Continue for 1 mile.
Alright, everybody, got the My Melody X Kuromi. Sorry it's getting late, it's almost 1. It's like a surprise egg. Alright. Here we go, let's do this. Got it at 5 below today. Ooh. Alright. My tripod. So I'm using a different one. I might have to use. Here we go. There we go. Sorry it takes forever. Alright, press the wrong button. Alright, sorry for the cooking noise, but here it is. Sorry this open takes forever. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Ooh. Nope. Alright. Here's the flyer right here. Oh. Yep, this is the flyer to collect them all. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got this one. What do you think about this?
Yeah, hope you like it.
Alright, that's it.
Bye.